So, you know the names of the letters of the English alphabet, but are you pronouncing them correctly? Let's practice pronunciation together. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce the letters of the English alphabet so you can remember easily. Just follow my instructions, listen, and repeat when I ask you to. At the end, there will be a practice assignment. Hello students, I'm Teacher Kyle. This is Basic English for Beginners class. Let's get started. Exercise 1, similar sounds. Now, you listen. Don't speak, just listen. I will say some letters with similar sounds. A, H, J, K. What sound do all those letters have? That's right, they all have A sound. A, H, J, K. A sound. So this is similar. All of them end with the A sound. Exercise 2. Repeat after me. A, H, J, K. All right, good job. Now listen to these sounds, similar sounds. Ready? Just listen, no speaking. B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V, Z. Good. Now what sound do all of those have? That's right, E. Exercise 4. Repeat after me. B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V, Z. Very good. Remember, the Canadian pronunciation for Z is Z. Exercise 5. Listen to these similar sounds. I, Y. What sound do both of those letters make? That's right, I. Repeat after me. I, Y. Good. Exercise 6. Listen. Don't speak. U, Q, W. U, Q, W. What sound do those three letters have that are similar? That's right, U. Exercise 7. Repeat after me. U, Q, W. Nice, good work. Exercise 8. My students often make mistakes between these confusing sounds. B, V. B, V. Look at the difference in those sounds. B, no vibration here. B, B, and V. When I say V, there's a vibration. I can feel my throat. V, B, V. Good, that's the difference. Similar sound, but different. Number 9. Listen to these sounds. C, Z. C, Z. The difference again is C is only in the front of my mouth. Only in the front. Z, there's a vibration in my throat. Z. C, only air. C. Listen to these sounds. E, I. E, I. See the difference? Listen to these sounds. G, J. G, J, G, J, G, J. So one has an E sound, one has an A sound. G, J. How about K, Q, K, Q? Both letters start with K, but they have different sounds at the end. K, A, K, K, U, Q, K, Q. Hear the difference? Finally, M, N. Two different words. M, N. M, N. When I say N, my tongue goes to the back of my top teeth. When I say M, my mouth closes. M, N. M, N. See the difference? Exercise 10. Repeat after me. B, V. C, Z. E, I. G, J. K, Q. M, N. Excellent. Listen to these sounds. There are no similar sounds. F, L, O, R, S, X, Z. Repeat after me. F, L, O, R, S, X, Z. Good job. Practice that some more. And our last exercise, read and say the letter name. What letter is this? What letter is this? And this one? What letter is this? What letter is this? And this one? Great job! Watch the next video to find out how you can write the English alphabet. You can do the practice assignment. I put a link in the description below. Click on the link to do the free practice exercises. See you next class. Bye-bye.